Hey everyone, welcome to Trends and Support. So last week we found a very good bounce back from the support. So I already mentioned the live market as well that we are having a support here around 25 898 25 900 to 885 range. So we can go long here for an upside moment, and still we recovered around 300 points. The Nifty, and last day the RBI policy also helped Nifty to move, especially the banks spike the within 5 minutes, 5 10 minutes around 200 300 points. So you can see the movement. And today, so the last day, so today, so in Monday, this 26 200 range acting very strong resistance in the last hours, that Nifty tried to cross this one in four times in small time frame, but always failed to cross this one. So in Monday, if we mostly we they try to open a gap up to cross this one. If they want to move upward, then they will try to cross this resistance in opening, might be a gap up open. So then they can move upward. So otherwise, if we getting a resistance in 26 200 range, then slightly we may go towards a zigzag movements, or otherwise in a profit booking. So let's go to check some resistance in or supports in Nifty. So here is the support in coming this at the current market price, 26 120 range will act as a support in intraday basis. Then the below this 26090 range, then if this one not hold, then we may see around 26045 to 50 range. If this one also not hold, this 26,000 will act as a bounce back support. If we not hold this one, then there is a negative trend of the Nifty, because we are this is the support of Nifty. So this line, the rising channel support, so we will lose this support and we can see a downside fall. So it might go towards here 25 9 sorry 9 900 range. So and 870 range, this can move towards. So if we hold this supports, this that's around 26 120 range, or otherwise we cross above this 2600 26 200 range, then the next resistance is coming around 26 238 to 240, then 272 range. Then it can move towards 26 299, and above this we can move towards 26 333 range. So that's a new ATH of Nifty. So let's see in the Monday. So these are the levels you can mark for the trade. Once the resistance broken, you can go long for the higher levels, and keep just below of the previous support as your stop loss. So and same like you can do the trade for the short side. Once the support broken, you can go for some put options for the next targets towards the downside. Now let's go to check Bank Nifty. So the Bank Nifty levels are here, and the last day in the live market I mentioned that the if we cross 59 400 range, then we can see an upside moment. So in just in after 15 minutes of my message, you can see the spikes. Then already mentioned all the levels we met on the targets. Now 59 824 range is acting as a resistance here, the current resistance. So once we cross this 59 829 to 820 to 830 range, then mostly we can see an upside movement towards 60,200 range, 200 to 210, then 60,380 range. And the weekly resistance of Bank Nifty is coming around 61,000 around 61,300 range, 300 to 340 range. So these are the levels for resistance of the Bank Nifty. And the support is next intraday support is coming around here. These are the here is the support here, 59 600 range, then 59 then after, if not hold this one, that is around here 1 day chart, you can see the support. So this one not hold 600 range, then we can see a downside movement towards 59 4 420, then it can move towards 59 300 range. So these are the levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty levels. Hope you get an idea about these levels of intraday and coming days move. If you like this video, you can share this video to friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you for watching.